Worried about a transaction being declined or getting hit with an overdraft fee? Overdraft protection can be your financial safety net. Today, we're breaking down how to set it up at Bank of America. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Think of overdraft protection as a backup plan. When your checking account is short, it automatically pulls funds from a linked account to cover the difference. You have two main types. The first is a standard transfer, which links your BoA checking to another BoA account, like a savings account. The second is a dedicated, overdraft protection, line of credit. To set it up, log into your online banking, go to your account settings, and find Overdraft Protection Services. From there, you can choose your preferred backup funding account and enroll. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: understand the costs. Transfers from a linked savings account are usually free, but using a credit card or a protection line of credit is a cash advance that accrues interest immediately. Always opt to link a savings account if you can. So, just like that, you can stop worrying about accidental overdrafts and sleep a little easier. Which backup account makes the most sense for your setup? A savings account, or something else? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.